Hello! In this video we are going to show you how to solve very common issue for Bambulab printers when the filament is stuck in the extruder. In this case you won't be able to pull in or pull out the filament, and the Bambulab application will show you the following error. After unsuccessful unloading, you can see that the slot is blinking with a red light. So let's start. We take the AMS and turn off the power on the printer. We take the top cover off, then take the front housing assembly and disconnect the connector from it. The next step is to push the black ring with 2 fingers and disconnect the white tube. The next step is to disconnect the hot end from the extruder. Please be careful because it may be hot. To do so, you need to disconnect 2 connectors here and to unscrew 2 bolts here. Next step is to disconnect the blade. Here it is. So you unscrew here. Done. Next step is to unscrew several bolts here. 1, 2, and 3 to disconnect the extruder itself. Now we can disconnect the extruder. Now we are close to get stuck filament from the extruder. First of all, we need to take off the extruder's cover by unscrewing several bolts. Next step is to take the top cover from the extruder. Then to unscrew this bolt on the side. Next step is to take the yellow gear off . And then to get the stuck filament. Here it is. After getting the stuck plastic out, we need to compose everything together. So first of all, put the yellow gear. Then put this here. Then screw the side bolt. Then screw the cover by 4 bolts. The extruder is ready. Next we need to put the extruder to its place by connecting it and screwing by 3 bolts. Now we need to connect the hot end to the extruder. Also don't forget 2 bolts here. Now we need to fix the razor. The last step is to connect the front cover and to put it back, and to connect the white tube.